Hi, this video is part of a series of misconception videos on the topic integers. It focuses on one of the major misconceptions faced by the students while learning integers. Students feel that the number with the smallest magnitude is the smallest number even for negative numbers. Therefore, according to these students, -1 would be smaller than -2 because 1 is smaller than 2. Let us give some questions which are trying to capture this misconception. This question was asked to students of grade 6 in an asset paper. It reads, the table below shows the minimum temperature recorded in some months of a year in Siberia. Of the given months, in which month was the lowest temperature recorded? Option A, January. Option B, March. Option C, May. Option D, December. The correct answer is option A, January, as -57 degrees is the lowest of all the given temperatures. Let us see how students are answering this question. This performance pie chart shows that around 25% of the 12,000 students believe that -5 degrees is lesser in value than -57. These students are overextending their understanding of positive integers to reason that -57 is greater than -5, as they know that 57 is greater than 5. Let us look at another question which captures this misconception. The following question was asked to students of class 6 in a detailed assessment test. The question reads, which of these numbers marked on the number line is 50 less than -100? Do you know the correct answer? To be able to answer this question correctly, the student requires to have an understanding of negative integers. Students who chose option B correctly understood that the number 50 less than -100 is -150. Students who chose option 1 may not have interpreted the question correctly, or they may have taken a guess and chose the point near -500 by simple comparison of digits with -50. Students who chose option 3 seem to lack clarity on negative integers. They are extending their understanding of positive integers to reason that 50 less than -100 is -50. Students who chose option 4 have probably missed the negative sign in front of 100 and hence have chosen the point on the number line indicating 50 less than 100, that is 50. Let us look at the performance data for this question. Only 40% of the 3,000 students were able to answer the question correctly. Around 36% of the students believe that -50 is 50 less than -100. Let us try to remediate such a misconception. To do the same, we have one of our math experts with us, Ms. Ranjini Mitra. She'll guide you through a small activity which will help you remediate this misconception.
We have converted the staircase into a number line, as we're going to do some activity with students here as a remedial. Basically, students have a misconception, and for negative integers, if they are asked which is greater, -5 or -2, they say -5. So currently you're standing on the staircase, and what are the numbers which are being depicted? What is your number?
-1.
What's yours?
-2.
What's yours?
-3.
What's yours?
-4.
-4. Alright. So who is at a higher level? -1 or -4?
-1.
-1, you are at a higher level. Okay. So over here it's very clear because you're standing on this higher and lower staircase. But in real life, if I ask you that if the temperature is -3 and the temperature goes up by 2 degrees, so what is the current temperature?
-1.
How did you do? No. What did we do?
We increased it by 2 more degrees.
Okay. So when you increased -3, instead of becoming -5, it became
-1.
1 because the temperature has actually gone up.
Yeah.
So what is colder? -42 degree temperature or -3?
-42.
-42 is greater?
Yes. No. It is colder.
Minus 42 is colder. And minus 3 is less colder.
Yes.
Yes? So is that clear to you? Is that clear? Alright. So over here now, boys, which is greater? 3 or minus 3.5?
3.
3 is greater? Okay. Suppose the temperature is 3. Okay. And the temperature reduces by 6 degrees. How much will the temperature be?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Why? How did you do that?
We subtracted 3, which equal to 0, and then we again subtracted 3, which led to minus 3.
Minus 3. Alright. So the concept is clear to you? Concept is clear? Okay. Thank you so much.